Thank you so much, everyone. Parents, these are the moments we certainly look forward to, and I'm sure today, through this event, there would be multiple occasions when we are going to walk down the memory lane. And now, let us welcome our UKG students for the prayer dance. An auspicious beginning to any event remains incomplete without involving the divine presence. To commence, let us seek the blessings of the Almighty through a prayer dance performed by our UKG children. And now is the turn of our little ones to lead us in prayer through a dance. And while our little ones are getting ready to be here on the stage, parents, I have a quick announcement to share with all of you. Parents like you, even I'm holding on to my breath because the entire performance, I would be witnessing it for the first time along with you all. Unless your little ones went back home and practiced and showed it to you. Parents, we're going to snap while the little ones are performing here.
ಸರ್ವದಲ್ಲೂ ಉನ್ನತನೇ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಅರಸನೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವ ತಂದೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸುವ ಕರ್ತನೇ ಸರ್ವದಲ್ಲೂ ಉನ್ನತನೇ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಅರಸನೇ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸುವ ತಂದೆ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸುವ ಕರ್ತನೇ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ಆರಾಧಿಸುವೆ ನಿನ್ನ
That was such a mesmerizing performance. And parents, while our little ones were performing here, I really couldn't help but looking at all of you, how involved you all were. And this really proves that childhood, not just for our little ones, even for us, is definitely a memory lane that we would like to revisit again and again.